My name is Payal Kaur and I am currently pursuing my BTech degree in Cloud Technology and Information Security, and I am in final year. So here I am to present my mini project report on the topic Quizlet online examination system. So the problem definition is, today during the pandemic, students may suffer from going to faraway exam centers. Therefore, hereby I present an online examination system for holding exam. And as we all know that in this pandemic, every student is facing a problem, and we cannot create any class offline, so we all have to meet online only. And so I wanted to upgrade my skills in PHP as well as HTML and CSS, and I wanted to create a project, and thereby I present my project here. A diagram for my online examination system. Now we can see that who will use our portal, like the students, teacher, and the teacher would be the admin basically, who will add the questions, who can delete the questions, whereas student can only give exams, view the result, and we have their username, ID, password, and teachers will also have their own username, ID and password. And we'll, for the exam, like for every question there will be a question number and a question ID, and the question, whatever the text we'll be putting in, and the options as well. So we'll be starting with having a register login page, and then we have is view welcome page, take the exam and see the exam results. In the DFT diagram, that is data flow diagram, we'll be having, this is our main system, then there'll be results, teachers, students and examination. So we can create, update, delete questions, upload options, specify the answers, view all user records, view results of all the students. Now the backend technology we'll be using is the XAMPP, phpMyAdmin and Chrome. Now in XAMPP, it's basically that we'll be using the server on which we'll be hosting our website. XAMPP is basically taking 127.0.0.1 as the IP address. This is the loopback IP address, and it will make the server as well as the client my own desktop. phpMyAdmin would be my database, and Chrome, through which we can see the website and access the website. Next we have is front-end technologies would be HTML, CSS, JavaScript. HTML is basically hypertext markup language, and it is used for the browser to understand the language. Next we have is CSS, that is used for attractive layouts. JavaScript is also used for attractive layouts. Now the hardware requirement would be basic computer system. Now let's implement and let's see what I have created. So I have started my XAMPP server, and Apache and MySQL I have just started it. The port number for Apache is 80 and 443, and for MySQL it is 3306. Now in my browser I will be typing my local host, and the name I have kept of the folder, that is Quizlet. So I'll just type it here. And now first of all, obviously we will start by registering. The student will come and see this first page, and then he or she will register. Now we'll go to the admin login and how it is created. So and here we can just see the portal is like this. So from where we can add the questions, this is this place. So suppose I want to add the question, like just from here we can choose the correct option, that is 3, and we can just submit. Now the next question, and now yes, here we can see that question number 6 is what is HTML. So yeah, finally it has come. And now here in the view questions point, we can just see here, I want to delete the 5th. So I am here deleting the 5th question, and now we can just see in the database as well. Now we'll just refresh it once, and we can see that the 5th question will be deleted, and yes, it is deleted, we can see here. And so now this is my project. We can log out, and thank you for giving me the opportunity to learn so much, and thank you to listening to me. Thank you so much.